Basically, God the Great. Allahu Akbar. We read from the Holy Book and we concentrate, we look down, we don't look left or right. Then we bow. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Now we prostrate on the floor. Our nose and forehead touches the floor. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. So basically now, at the end of a prayer, when we finish, we say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. That is the end of the prayer. Ladies and gentlemen, you must ask the question, who is